What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dreamin Claimers. I am your host, Steve. Today I have a $30 session, $20 worth of the Joker's Wild, and 10 of the Cash Club. The Cash Club. Let's see if we can find a big win today. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Would greatly appreciate you joining the Dreamin family. And if you enjoy the content, please hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see in the future, or just share whatever you would like to with me. I enjoy reading it. If you want to be sure to catch all future videos, be sure to ring that bell so you are alerted. Alright, so this ticket, we are trying to find a numbers match, find the Joker's hat for a 3X or the dollar wad for a win all. I have yet to find the money wad. I have found the Joker's hat. Let's see if we can find either of those today. 30, 20, 26, 33. Three, 22, 31, 19, 20, 30. Boom! First ticket, first win. That away. That's always good. Get the first one out of the way. All right, let's see if we can find a joiner. 36, 12, 11, 15. Sorry, I'm off the camera. 13, 37. We need 20, 26, 30, 33. 20, 26, 30, 33. Nothing there. What's under the blackjack? Oh, of course, it's a jackpot. Oh, well. Let's see what we can find underneath that 30. See what we won. Will it be more than 5? I doubt it. Oh, it is. It's a $10 double up. I will take that. Heck yes. All right. Good way to start the session. $10 off the bat. Let's see if we can find another win. We have 3 more tickets left to go. They are all in sequence. We have 30, 31, 29, 30, and 32. So 29 through 32. They just weren't in order. My bad. This one is ticket number 29. The last one was ticket 31. So we have 20, 30, 40, 29. Oops, sorry, out of the camera again. Today I am just off. So 20, 30, 40, 29. 20, 30, 40, 29. Or a lovely symbol. 20, 30, 40, 29. Sorry, not 39. It said 39 because I saw it. 20, 30, 40, 29. Boom! 20. There we go. Back-to-back wins. Not back-to-back tickets, because this one's 29, the last one was 31. But back-to-back wins on the ones I happen to scratch. That's awesome. Let's see what we can find. Can we find something bigger than 5 again? No, but we'll take it. That is 15 back so far on out of 20 for the Joker's Wild. That's pretty awesome. We still have 2 tickets left. Can we find one more win? This is ticket number 30. A weird white and blue line. Let's see if we can get lucky. 19, 22, 24, 37. 19, 22, 24, 37. 32, 19, 22, 24, 37. 19, 22, 24, 37. No. Can't make it back to back to back, but we went back to back. That's always nice. We got one more Joker's Wild left to go. Let's see what we can find. Then we got 2 of the cash clubs. 9, 13, 28, 29. Let's see if we can find one more win hiding out. This is ticket 32. 9, 13, 28, 29. 9, 13, 28, 39, or 28, 29. 27's one too little. 8's one too little as well. 12's one too little as well. There's a blackjack for 5 hundo, if only. 26, 36, 9, 13, 28, 29. Nothing. It's all right. We won back on 2 of the 4 tickets. $15 back out of 30 or 20 spent. We're already at half back, and we have 2 cash clubs remaining. Let's see if the cash club will pay off. We have 2 of them, ticket 39 and 40. This is ticket number 39. We are looking for a numbers match. The poker chip for an instant 50 would be amazing, or that ace for 5 times the prize. I have yet to find a symbol on this game. Let's see if we can find one today. 17, 23, 30, 34. 17, 34, 23, 30. Pesky number 1, 15, 32, and 14. 2 dozen, 25, 38, 35's one too many, and a 10. 33's 10 too many or 1 too little. 16, what's under there? That would have been nice. 21, back-to-back numbers for a hundo. 11, and a 12. Unfortunately, no win, but a jackpot in the clutch corner. Nothing on ticket number 39 of Cash Club. We got one more ticket. Let's see if we can break it open and get one more win. Let's symbol hunt this one. Nothing on row 1. Row 2's a blank for symbols. Row 3 the same. And the final row the same. No symbols today. Let's see if we can find a match. A dozen. We got 11. 17. We got 19. 13. Nothing. Last chance. The 4. We got a 3 and a 6 and a 2 and a 1. Nada. We blanked on the Cash Club, but hey, overall we got half back. We got 15 back on 30 spent. Not terrible. I'll take it. Of course, we're hunting for jackpots, but unfortunately can't get them all the time. Can't even get wins all the time. But still got something back. We got half back. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. And as always, I hope you find much bigger wins than I just did. Find some big zeros, hit some big wins, get some of those, or even the jackpot on the clutch corner. Find something. And if you do find a big one, please share them with me. I enjoy it, and I'd love to share it with the rest of the YouTube channel. The Dreamin family, I know, would enjoy seeing it. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.